Start by removing the thermostat from its backplate to inspect for signs of pinched or broken wires that could cause intermittent operation or heating and cooling failures. When you remove a thermostat, first turn off power at the breaker for the heating and cooling system to avoid shocks or short circuits. Use a clear, methodical approach and take a photo of the wiring with your phone before touching anything so you can restore connections exactly as they were. Visually inspect the backplate and wire entry points for insulation nicks, crushed conductors, or stray strands touching other terminals. Even a small copper strand can short across terminals. If you see damaged insulation, trim back to healthy wire and strip a clean 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch of conductor so the terminal clamp can make a solid connection. After restoring the wiring and reattaching the thermostat, restore power and use a multimeter set to measure voltage to test at the backplate terminals, while the system calls for heat or cool. You should see the control voltage specified by your system, commonly in the 24-volt range for many residential systems, and no voltage between common and ground. If you do not get expected readings, document them and power down again before proceeding to replace the backplate or call a technician. Common mistakes include not turning off power first, which risks shorting or damaging the control board and can give confusing voltage readings. So always shut off the breaker and confirm power is removed before working. Another issue is failing to photograph the wiring before removal and then swapping terminals, which can cause the system to behave incorrectly. So take a clear reference photo and label wires with tape if necessary. A third problem is trusting frayed insulation and simply tucking wires back into the wall, which can leave intermittent faults, so always cut back to solid wire. Strip properly and secure under the terminal clamp to ensure reliable contact. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where we and other members share real-world troubleshooting tips like these for thermostat backplates. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them engage with homeowners and community threads that build trust and practical know-how.